friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today is the day of the Useful DIY Challenge for May 2020. 2 weeks ago, my friend Mom over at MomDas Life Handmade invited you guys to participate in this challenge. And today is the day. I really hope I'm gonna see a lot of videos in the playlist, and I'm hoping you guys all had fun creating some amazing things out of cardboard. Yes, cardboard was the material that we picked to be the one to make things out of for this challenge. So there will be a playlist as always in the description box of my video. Also, I will link MomDas's channel as well, so you can go ahead and check her out if you're not already part of her channel. She is definitely so sweet, so talented, and I am always impressed when I see how she creates something out of nothing. So she is a master of trash to treasures, and the way she uses paint always teaches me something new. So definitely go ahead and check out her channel. And now let's go ahead and get started. For my first project, I'm using this roll that was left over from the clear wrap, and as you can see, it is pretty sturdy. And the first thing I'm doing is just measuring out 4 different sections, and I decided each section to be around 1.5 inches. I'm gonna cut them up with the box cutter, and after that I'm just sanding a little bit the edges. Next step will be to paint them lightly, and I will explain later why. I'm using Beverly chalk paint in color mineral, and just giving it one light coat. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I will be covering them with a burlap ribbon that is a similar color, and I didn't want this white or the leftover of the glue to peek through the burlap. So like I said, this is the ribbon from the Dollar Tree that I had on hand, and I am measuring how much I need to wrap around each piece of roll, and then I'm cutting 4 of them. After that, I am using hot glue, putting one line of hot glue for the beginning, and then just wrapping the burlap ribbon around, and then cutting off the excess and gluing the end of it. And I'm just trimming off the ends a little bit where I see some threads hanging, and that's it. This is how all 4 of them look like when they were done, and probably by now you can figure out that I'm making napkin rings. Next, I'm taking this white jute twine that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting off first a little piece, and after that I am wrapping it around my 2 fingers and then pinching in the middle, and that's where I'm going to wrap the piece that I cut off in the beginning. I tie it around a few times and tie the knot, and that's going to create the very simple bow. After that, I am hot gluing the bow in the middle of the napkin ring, and after that I am going to use this gray little button that I had, gluing it in the middle of the bow, and that completes this napkin ring. I really like how simple they are, how farmhousey they look like, and I think they can fit perfectly with pretty much most of the decor that I have. And I like how inexpensive they were to make and so easy to make. For my second project, I'm gonna start with showing you my drawer. This is the drawer that I have for my kitchen towels and coasters. And the first thing I'm doing is measuring all sides of it. And then I'm taking the cardboard box that I had on hand, and I am cutting out 4 pieces. 3 pieces are the same length, and 1 of them is longer. The one that are shorter, I am measuring the middle of it, and that's where I'm going to cut the slit. And the longer one, I am separating in 3 sections, and that's where I'm going to cut the slit. And then Next thing I'm gonna do is take a contact paper that I had on hand. This contact paper I actually used to line my drawers, and I'm going to cover each of these pieces of cardboard in this contact paper. This is how they look like wrapped in a contact paper, and now it's time to assemble it. So as you can see, I'm making dividers for my drawer, and right when I was assembling it, I realized that the longer one I cut on 2 spots, so I actually cut 2 slits instead of 3, but that's okay. So this is how the drawer looks like divided. I really like how it looks like, and I might do this for my other drawers as well. So now I'm gonna just show you how I put my towels in it, and I think it looks perfect and so much more neat. And I think if you want to do the same thing, you can definitely make more separating pieces, as many as you want. And also you can put a dab of hot glue if you want in a drawer if it's moving, but mine was tight and it wasn't moving at all. And for my third project, first thing I did was to draw a 3D star. I actually looked the picture online and I drew it myself, but you can definitely print it out and just use it as a template. So as you can see, each side of this star had a longer and a shorter side that went diagonally. And then after I was done creating that, I was just connecting the outside edges, and after that I was ready to cut out my star. So after I cut it out, I am about to fold the longer edges. So as you can see over here, I am folding it outside, and I'm gonna go around until I'm done folding all longer sides. Next step would be to fold the shorter sides, or actually, yes, shorter edges, and they're gonna be folded inside. I'm gonna show you now how to do that. It is pretty simple, so I just use my hands to do that. After all of them are folded, this is how the star looks like. It really looks cool. It is three-dimensional and really cool. This cardboard that I'm using is from cereal, so that it is not so thick to work with. So I'm using my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color, and I'm just dry brushing it all around. And this is so cool. It is so versatile. You can use any color you want, and since it's a star, you can definitely use it for upcoming 4th of July and use the 4th of July colors on it. And I might even make a new one for that purpose as well. Next, I'm using my Truffle Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just dry brushing the raised edges, and that's gonna be it. This is my cardboard decor piece, and I am really happy how it turned out. It is rustic, it is farmhousey, but also modern. Exactly how I like it, and it totally fits my decor, and you saw how easy it was to make. Please tell me in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and would you recreate any of these? That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked all my projects. And if you did, as always, please give this video a big thumbs up. It means a lot to me. It shows me that you like this type of videos, and it shows YouTube that you like it, so it gets promoted more. Also, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I have a lot of good other DIYs that you can take a look, and also good ones planned for the future. Don't forget to check out playlist in the description box. I'm sure there will be a lot of great videos. I cannot wait to watch them. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.